are pleased to show you the 2018 Hyundai Santa Fe. Style, quality, performance, value. Need we say more? This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, Bluetooth, front wheel drive, power steering, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, electronic stability control, USB connection, power windows, power door locks, daytime running lights, auxiliary audio input, alarm, towing package, rear spoiler, tire pressure monitoring system. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.